Skyscraper district area, all the businesses. Just been reading the International Herald Tribune. I don't usually see this paper often, so I thought I'd buy this one, but there's nothing really about what's happening, except for a few articles. Very sad news about two young men, 21 and 24 years old. They were found, their bodies were found in the nuclear plant. And apart from that, there's some mention of a lot of protests seem to be happening on all sorts of reasons in the world today. Especially nuclear energy is a big no-no, obviously. It feels like it's too little too late, really. Well, it's not too late, hopefully. Hopefully this will be what everyone needs, the world needs, to show that, you know, it's time to stop all this nuclear nonsense, really. Anyway, let's go on to the next part.
Hi there. We just had a quick.
Right. It's not exactly a moment of joy, despite our facial expressions. I think we're just a bit giddy to see each other after such a long time. I was just arrived at Kanai station in Yokohama, and was just about to get off the station, and all these small, like a million small
Even the homeless guy
bugs
is away.
noises, like and I was like, it was like bzz, 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 bzz. I was like,
yeah.
what's that? And about 10 salarymen had an earthquake alarm
Yeah.
on their phone, which I'd never seen before, and that freaked me out something.
That freaked everyone out. Now, I think we're hearing an announcement now.
Right,
I wonder if it has anything to do with the quake.
probably does, yeah. And then we got off the platform, and everybody's like had their arm like this against the wall of the station,
Oh dear.
checking for the earthquake. I've never seen that before. Like this, everyone's holding the wall like this.
Oh dear.
Now,
It's kind of
let's see.
experience.
Where should we go? Where is that?
I think you have to walk here.
We're a bit lost. Yeah, it is that way, isn't it?
Yeah.
Anyway, we're trying to walk and chew gum at the same time. More late. Can't see Jack, as you can see. Everyone's been evacuated from the building. Really out of panic. Over there is the security guard, about the same age as the building. And we're all out. We're all outside. So this is our greeting ceremony for the new teachers, and looks like we'll be doing it out in the open today.
Very likely.
You know what else to?
Let's make our way.
Yeah, hard hats.
各地の震度は震度6弱が福島県いわき市と茨城県北茨城市、震度5強が福島県浅川町、古殿町、茨城